Rare opportunity. If you are looking to bring your workshop/warehouse needs in-house to a single property, this one is for you. If you are a car enthusiast that needs a huge workshop, this property is for you. If you have tons of toys and need a place to store them, this haven is for you. Workshop has electric in the office and outlets on the outside of the office walls. Use your imagination. Zoned AS1, be sure to check West zoning for intended use. This is a country setting on just under 1 acre fully fenced property with approx 1,700 square feet 3/2 manufactured home and 2,400 square feet workshop with built-in office space. As you pull in, you'll notice the canopy of oaks that line the drive. Once you enter this private property, it opens up to see the gorgeous landscaping around the home and the large 30 by 12 front porch that has been reinforced west 4 by 6 posts. Sitting on the porch, you will enjoy the tropical plants that surround the front and the quaint pond.